back to my channel. Katana here with Battleborn Bikinis and Teeny Keenies. I'm just video. It was kind of a blah, 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 blah. And I'm getting started on my Georgia collection. And it may not come out for a while because I still have to figure out my Georgia situation. But I would like to know in the comments if anybody, you're living in the US, within the US, painted trees. I had spoke about painted trees before. I did a whole video about painted tree. I have a painted tree here in Sparks, Nevada, and I sell out of that painted tree. A little short description: painted tree is like a co-op. It's a huge building that there's a bunch of different vendors, like a craft fair, but it's a permanent. You can decorate your booth. It's a bunch of like little spaces, and I sell out of that. What I'm looking to do is expand into other cities, and I would like some insight specifically from women, but obviously men can chime in on this one and let me know if you guys have an area that thrives off swimwear year-round, or has like I think of Arizona, southern Arizona, and then I think of coastal regions, but I wouldn't be opposed to like Colorado, let's just say, even though it's not like a coastal region. But I am not I am seasonal here in Reno, Nevada, so I'm looking for other states that maybe could withhold some swimwear during the seasons I'm slow here in Nevada, and that would be really cool. I get to travel and I get to explore, and then I also get to brand awareness, share that when I go into these other states, and I get to find influencers in these states where I would have a painted tree. So let me know in the comments if you have a painted tree in your area, or if you are in a coastal water area where it's like warm year round and you could use my type of swimwear. So we're more Western based, but we have a lot of fun prints like this. I like vibrant neon prints. So that's that. I'm gonna get working on my Georgia collection here. When I'm finished, I have 2 of each. So I mentioned last time, the lighting is so good right here. I have 2 of each, 4 prints, 2, 4, 6, 8. So I'll have 8 suits to try on. They're triangle tops, and then it's a new top that I have actually not tried on yet. And then we have a scoop bottom and a ballet bottom, which are pretty much the same cut. One just ties on the side, which a lot of people love, and then one doesn't tie on the side, which people love as well. Some people hate those straps that tie on the side and they just like dingle for miles, for tanning purposes, or just because they don't like that much material. So there's 2 tops and 2 bottoms in each pattern print color that I will be trying on. So let's get to it. Okay, so I finished one of the styles, and this is a style that is brand new. So I'm going to try it on first, and then I'm going to add the other ones later. But like a triangle top and a ballet bottom, it's pretty classic triangle and bikini bottoms. So I didn't feel like that needed to be the first one I tried on. But I was really curious about the variation I did in this top. So this top used to have this on both sides, so it was still reversible, but it was high neck on both sides, and I thought it would be cute to do low neck and high neck, and then it's still reversible, so you could still wear it conservative with a really cute low back, or in the front I haven't tried it. So I don't know if it's gonna be too low. I don't know if it's gonna be like, I don't know, but we're gonna try it. Adorable. Exactly what I envisioned. How stinking cute. Ah. So it's still very supportive. It just has this low neck and then a high neck in the back. Also completely reversible. What do we think about the ditzy print? I actually love it so much more on my body than off. I don't know. I love this print. It was my least favorite out of all of them, so I did it first, just so I could actually make sure I like this top on my least favorite print. So I just added a scrunch here, like I normally do in my scrunch butt bottoms. This one does not have scrunch butt bottoms, but let's reverse it. Okay, I just reversed the bottoms to the other side, but I just reversed this to what was the back. How cute. Adorable, right? So this is super sporty. I'm wearing a medium, and so it is tugging just a bit right here in the armpits. I just think I'm actually a large, but around here I'm a medium, so that's my problem. I do love that there's no straps. There's nothing that's gonna untie, but then I also can't adjust anything. It has to fit good. But this would be like a great surfing, paddleboarding, jet skiing swimsuit. Like sexy and super sporty. And then you could just wear it as a sports bra to the gym, because that's what I think I'm gonna do. I have some pants that match this. It's so freaking cute. What's your favorite? The golden side, the ditzy floral side, the scrunch? How would you wear it? Oh, I love it. So on to the rest of the collection. This is one of the styles. So I love it. Both styles are really cheeky. I don't know if that'll be a problem for my Georgia collection or not, but I just love this top. I think I'm gonna have to work out in it. Oh, so since all my videos got deleted, my trampoline video, I unboxed it. It is leaps and rebounds, and it's so freaking cool. It's purple. And I filmed the whole thing, unboxing it and everything. And it's gone, you know? So I have to do like another video. Of me jumping. Because it's so fun. And we gotta test out swimsuits. Like, what other way would we test out swimsuits if we didn't have a trampoline in the office? But I did turn this into my workout area now that I don't have an employee. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. It's getting hotter, weirder, more unpredictable. So until next time, I will show you guys the whole entire collection of the Georgia collection. I'll do the full try on of all the pieces. And I forget where I got this sports bra original pattern from, but I just did this myself. I just did the variation. I used like a curved ruler for, I don't know, seamstresses. I don't know what it's for, but I mean, it's for designers. It's for sewing. It's a curved ruler, and it's so cute. So thank you for joining me today. Until next time.